weak erections can feel incredibly discouraging, leaving you powerless in the moments that matter most. But here's some exciting news. 3 powerful natural ingredients may be all you need to turn things around in just 1 minute. These scientifically supported ingredients can restore confidence in the bedroom without medication, promote heart health, regulate blood sugar, ease arthritis, and deliver many other benefits. The results are astonishing when prepared precisely, as shown in this video. Let's begin with the first ingredient, cayenne pepper. If you're determined to regain the strength of your younger years while enhancing your heart health, grab your spice grinder and measure out ½ a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Here's why this fiery red spice is so effective. Known as the red lightning of natural stimulants, cayenne pepper packs a powerful punch that can instantly energize your body. Imagine just a small amount of cayenne, and your circulatory system gets a rapid boost. The secret lies in capsaicin, a compound that supercharges blood flow. Capsaicin works by relaxing and expanding your blood vessels, making it easier for nutrient-rich blood to circulate to every part of your body, including the areas that influence stamina and strength. But that's just the beginning. Capsaicin also activates nerve endings, creating a sensation that heightens focus and energy. Think of it like flipping a switch that tells your body to power up and perform at its best. Scientific studies support these claims too. Cayenne pepper has been shown to improve circulation almost immediately. A small dose encourages blood vessels to open up, enhancing the heart's pumping power and ensuring blood reaches critical areas efficiently. For instance, in 2018, researchers in Austin, Texas, explored cayenne's effects on blood flow, particularly about erectile health. They gathered a group of participants who struggled with stamina and circulation in the bedroom and introduced a daily dose of cayenne pepper to their routines. The results were extraordinary. Participants immediately noticed a warm sensation spreading through their bodies, a clear sign of improved blood flow. Over the following weeks, the benefits became even more evident. Many participants experienced firmer, more consistent erections, increased stamina, and a renewed sense of confidence. The data backed these experiences too. Researchers observed a significant improvement in circulation to the areas that matter most, making cayenne pepper a game changer for performance. This wasn't just a tiny improvement, it was a life-altering transformation in circulation and endurance, bringing back a vitality many participants hadn't felt in years. But cayenne pepper isn't only good for circulation. It delivers various additional health benefits, making it a true all-rounder. Its natural pain-relieving properties make it ideal for easing muscle and joint discomfort. It also supports heart health by promoting healthy cholesterol levels, essential for a robust and steady heart. Additionally, cayenne boosts your metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently and making it great for weight management. Its rich antioxidant content strengthens the immune system, helping protect against infections. Cayenne also aids digestion by stimulating enzyme activity, which helps your body absorb nutrients more effectively. It has anti-inflammatory properties, which can benefit individuals dealing with arthritis or similar conditions. If you're managing diabetes, cayenne even helps regulate blood sugar levels, adding another layer of health support. With so many benefits, cayenne pepper is more than a spice for your kitchen. It's a natural powerhouse for health and vitality. But cayenne is only one part of the equation. Next, let's bring in a legendary ingredient that's just as impressive: raw cacao. This is more than just a tasty addition. Raw cacao is an ancient superfood revered by the men of the Aztec civilization. Known for their strength, vitality, and legendary stamina, these men relied on raw cacao to sustain their endurance and protect their hearts. Raw cacao is packed with flavonoids, compounds that relax and widen blood vessels, improving blood flow. This means stronger, steadier circulation to key areas of the body, ensuring consistent performance. What makes raw cacao remarkable is its ability to boost mood and energy naturally. A 2017 study published in Frontiers in Nutrition found that cacao flavonoids enhance blood flow, elevate energy levels, and improve overall mood. But that's not all. Raw cacao contains antioxidants that help fight free radicals, keeping your cells healthy and youthful. It also promotes better brain health by increasing blood flow to the brain and improving focus and mental clarity. Raw cacao is also a natural mood booster. It stimulates the release of serotonin and dopamine, helping reduce stress and make you feel happier. This powerful ingredient supports heart health, lowers blood pressure, and enhances skin health for a natural glow. In addition, raw cacao helps regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals managing diabetes. It promotes gut health by aiding digestion and nutrient absorption, and its anti-inflammatory properties soothe joint discomfort, making it great for overall wellness. To use this ingredient, measure 1 tablespoon of raw cacao powder and add it to your blend. Combined with cayenne pepper, these two ingredients work synergistically to amplify each other's effects, boosting circulation, energy, and vitality. Before we move on to the final ingredient, take a moment to hit the subscribe button if you found this video helpful so far. Your support helps us create more life-changing content and lets us know we're providing valuable tips. Now, let's move to the last ingredient, saffron. This ancient spice is more than just a luxury. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that takes vitality to the next level. Saffron is rich in crocin and saffronol, potent antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress and significantly contribute to poor circulation and stamina. These compounds improve blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every part of the body. Saffron is also known for its ability to boost serotonin levels, which reduce stress and elevate mood, both essential for better performance. Saffron also acts as a natural aphrodisiac, enhancing libido and supporting hormonal balance. Its gentle effects on the endocrine system help improve physical and mental health. Add a small pinch of saffron threads to your cayenne and cacao mix to complete this blend. These 3 ingredients create a potent elixir that enhances circulation, energy, and vitality. How to make the blend. Here's everything you need. Half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of raw cacao powder, a pinch of saffron threads. Grind these ingredients until smooth, then mix them into your favorite smoothie or warm drink. You'll have a natural elixir ready to transform your health in just 1 minute. For best results, try this daily for a week. And let us know in the comments how it works for you. Remember to hit subscribe to stay updated with more tips like this. Thanks for watching.